This video walks you through how to set up recurring transfers in Wise. Begin by logging in to your Wise account, enter your account details, and wait for the home screen to load. Once you are signed in, look for the Send option and click it to start a new transfer. Wise will then ask who you want to send money to. At this stage, select an existing recipient if the person or account is already saved in your account. If not, click Add and create a new recipient before continuing. Make sure you choose the correct recipient here, since the recurring schedule will be tied to this transfer setup. Next, enter the amount you want to send. Type in the transfer amount carefully and confirm that the currency and amount shown on screen match what you want to schedule. After that, continue until you reach the review page, where Wise shows the transfer summary and the expected arrival time. On the review page, find the schedule option next to the arrival time and click it. This opens the scheduling settings for the transfer. You will first choose the date for your first transfer. Select the starting date that fits the schedule you want to use going forward. After choosing the first transfer date, open the Repeats drop-down menu. This is where you decide how often the transfer will happen automatically. Choose the frequency that matches your plan, such as weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or quarterly. Take a moment to confirm that the repeat pattern and first date work together the way you expect, especially if you are setting this up around a specific payment cycle or deadline. Once those details are set, click Set Schedule. Wise will apply the recurring timing to the transfer and return you to the transfer details. From there, review the scheduled transfer information carefully. Check the recipient, the amount, the first transfer date, and the repeat frequency shown on screen. This is the point where you confirm that everything matches the schedule you intend to create. If the details look correct, click Schedule Transfer to confirm. Wise will then save the recurring transfer using the settings you selected. Depending on your account and transfer setup, you may briefly see a confirmation screen once the request is processed. At that point, the recurring transfer is in place, and future payments will follow the schedule you selected unless you return later to change or cancel it. If you use multiple recipients or currencies in Wise, it is worth noting that each recurring transfer is created separately, so the one you have just scheduled applies only to the transfer you reviewed and confirmed. Your recurring transfer in Wise is now scheduled with your selected start date and repeat frequency.